Hello everybody, me and Yoshi gonna make today a button which is color blue. Let's see it. This is it. This is a button. Hey my friend, you can press this. Let's show to the people. Okay. Look, you're gonna press this like this. And also Yoshi can be in top. Wee, I'm going up and down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, that is fun. Let's check how to build it. Wait, before we check how to build it, we're gonna check how the machine come like that. Hey Yoshi, come back here. Hey friend, can you get Yoshi? Okay. Come back here, Yoshi. I don't like that. Ooh, something look from there. Yeah, whoa, whoa. Thank you, friend. Okay. Hey Yoshi, go down, okay? Okay. Hey guys, at the back of it, you're gonna see something like that. Hey friend, can you... Okay. You pull this. And inside there's a machine. There's a rubber band there. Hey, it's so dark in there. So, if you press the button, keep looking under, okay guys? You see? See it go up and down. Like you're pressing like this. Let's go back. That was fun, right guys? Now it's time to build it. Let's start. First, you get that green. Now next, you put this blue square. And this too. We need to put it here and here. Now we bring another blue. And this green. And this also. And now you get this. And this is how it will be inside. Now you get the same but different. Now you get this, color blue. Now next, this two. And there it is. 1, 2. And this two. And you can get a rubber band which is cut already. And this stick. And this too. Now how to do it is you put the white inside first. And then you put a rubber band there. Hey friend, can you help to put the rubber band there? Okay. And then you push it like this. So it will be like this line here. And now you get the blue, which has a hole already here. You need to put this here. It'll come like that. And here, you need to get something green. Circle like that. So when you put this inside, then you push it. And now you get this again. And you put this here, the side. And then after that, you need to squish it down. So this one looks to be up and down. Now you got it, guys? Okay, friend, you can go now. Thank you. Now we need to build this. Guys, we need this to close the door for the back, okay? First like this, and then like this, and lastly like this. Now you put this down. And we need like this, and like this. Oops, wrong one. And here, you need to put it. And now we can close it. You need all of these. And people, this is not black. This is very, very dark blue, okay? Now let's put it. Now next. And bye-bye. Now you're finished your button. And now let's press it. My favorite part. Here we go. Yay! Okay, bye-bye, subscribe. Ah!